My general suggestion is you start off with your strongest genre first. If you're a comedic actor, you put your comedy first. If you're a dramatic actor, you put your dramatic first. Then flip it around, follow that by your weaker one, then you have your title card. Obviously, if you have an existing body of work that's professional, it's been on network TV, it's on cable, it's on a streaming service like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, it's done award-winning festivals, stuff like that, and you want to make that prominent, you want to make a note of that in your cover letter if you can. It is always quality over quantity, and I mean quality of acting, not quality of production clip. If you have the professional body of work, you want to be using that first because it shows that you've been cast, you're working in the industry, you know how to work on set, etc, etc. But if you're, let's say, coming out of university or a conservatorium and you're just new to the industry, you can use self-tape style clips. That is more than accessible. I know here in Australia, when the CGA were surveyed about what their preferences were, 98% of the casting directors in the CGA, Casting Guild of Australia, did say that they preferred quality over quantity when it came to acting over production quality. So that's just something to keep in mind, that you don't have to drop $2,000 to $5,000 to $8,000 on hiring a professional production company to write you a script and create a fake scene. You can just do a self-tape style clip. Those should be some easy tips and tricks for you guys to follow. Let's recap. You want a showreel that's under 2 minutes. You want to have a title card at the end to act as your calling card, not at the top. You want your comedy scene to be around the setup, joke technique, or the turnaround technique, or the setup, joke, extended joke technique. With your drama scenes, you want to focus on the highest point of tension. You want to showcase your range through type, contrasting genre, languages, accents. You want to use professional style footage clips, especially if they're on existing networks, cables, or streaming services. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!